Today is a bit of a sad day. Today we put the GG Evo 8 back to stock. What is going on, guys, and welcome back to yet another video. If you're new to the channel and you are interested in car content, Evo content, how-to, DIYs, car entertainment, basically everything to do with cars, then definitely consider subscribing to this channel. And today's video, we have a very sad video. Today our job is to do the unthinkable, the unimaginable, returning this beautiful car, the GG Evo, back to stock, which sucks big time. Again, I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are gonna have questions of why I'm doing that, and I've covered this in previous videos, but that car is going to be for sale, and I just want to put it back to stock, try to make it the best car for a seller. So basically a blank page. I don't want to sell it as is. So we are taking today our coilovers, T37s out, maybe side skirt extensions, rear side skirt extensions, rear spats. We are taking a couple of bits and pieces. It's not going to be completely done in today's video, but our job today to make sure that we install our BBS wheels with our OEM Bilstein shocks, which is going to be a plus to whoever gets this car, because OEM struts with OEM BBS, if I do sell it with those wheels, it's gonna be a plus. This car, as you guys know, is basically brand new, at least to me. It's high mileage, but it's very well taken care of. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I've explained it in the past, but to remove your wheels, obviously you have your 5 lugs, and then we have 3 bolts here on the top, the strut tower, and then we have 2 bolts that hold our shock. And that's pretty much it. Remove it, put the stock ones back on, and adjust to seeing the car stock again, which is crazy to think. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started and get right to work. Of course, like with everything, you find issues with the car. I guess my boot, I don't know if you guys can see that, I'm pretty sure you guys can, it's completely torn, and it's been splattering all around on the GG, which is crazy because I drive this car a lot and I never notice any noises or anything like that. It must have just happened, but I think I am going to have to replace this whole axle and not just change the boot, because it's actually a pretty big rip. I'll check the bearings later on. I'm gonna try to finish basically swapping the suspension and the wheels, but now we have another project, which is always, I guess, a thing with Evos, but very surprised with this one. But anyways, let's go ahead and install the BBS in the front, and then we'll get to the rear. This is definitely gonna take some time to get used to. Holy crap. It sits so high. Of course I have to drive it so like the suspension can settle, but Jesus Christ, it's so high. I have a 4x4 now. Time to go mudding. I'm just kidding, but anyways, I just wanted to show you guys that. That's crazy. And look at the way the front looks so high. It's crazy what coilovers could do. Coilovers and wheels could do to a car. Gonna miss these babies. Let's go ahead and get the rear done. I already removed the panels from the trunk. It's only 2 bolts on the top this time, so these 2 bolts, and then of course we have our 1 bolt that goes to our lower control arm. This side is, the rear is literally the easiest part ever, but let's go ahead and fully put the car back to stock. This is such a sentimental moment for me. Like, you guys have no idea after everything with this car, but it doesn't look that bad, honestly. Like, now the suspension settled a little bit, it's looking a little bit better. Let's go ahead and get to work. This feels so weird. It feels like I'm saying goodbye to the car already and I'm not even getting rid of the car yet. Anyways, let me go ahead and close the garage. Let me set the camera up like I always do around here. So, as you guys saw, the GG is officially sort of back to stock. I still need to remove the Tomei side skirt extensions and rear spats. And good news, I also, while I was doing all of this, I was gonna, maybe I'll make it part of this video. So if you guys don't see this, then I made it part of this video and then I made another outro. But I found wait, what was it? Driver's side? Yeah, I already forgot, but driver's side axle for the GG because that axle boot just snapped. So I bought a brand new one. So I'm gonna get that now, but I don't know if, anyways, I don't know if it's gonna be part of this video, but so I found an axle. I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up today, so maybe you guys won't see this, whatever the case might be. I don't know if you guys will see this or not see this. I may include it in this video, I may not include it in this video. I might make a separate video because we have to change that axle out. We have to change oil, change spark plugs. I wanna give that car like perfect. My OCD, I don't know, I want to give that car as perfect as possible, as OEM as possible. So we need to change the oil, spark plugs, change that axle. We need to remove the side skirt extensions, rear extensions, and a couple of stuff on the engine bay, and then that car will be ready. It's honestly a bittersweet moment. I said I wasn't gonna get emotional in this video because this video we're not gonna get rid of it, but that car means the world to me. I honestly wish I had the funds and the space to keep that car forever, because I know that there will never be a first one like that first Evo, and the meaning that Evo has for me. But this move is for the better. I promise you guys I wouldn't be doing this if it wasn't for the better. This is so we could level up, I guess you could say. And with having 2 Evo 8s, it just doesn't make sense. And trust me when I say it, you guys are gonna be so stoked the way we're gonna build this Evo 8, this red Evo 8, that it's gonna all be worth it. And then we might get another build for the channel, which at the end of the day, trust me, all of this is just to level up. And trust me, I gave it a lot of thought. And this has been an ongoing process for over a year already, that I've been saying I'm gonna sell this car, and I somehow ended up with the car still to this day. And today I finally made the move. There's a lot of things that go back and forth with selling a car and just preparing everything specifically, because at the end of the day, this is what I want to do full time, which is YouTube. And I hope one day I do make it. I'll go back to this video. Right now we're about to make it to 7,000 subscribers, which to me, man, like I could literally get emotional, because I hate getting emotional. It's so stupid, but it's like crazy to me. Like 7,000 people subscribe, and sometimes these videos get 5,000, 2,000. That's like a whole like room full of people just watching and enjoying something I'm passionate about. And I know you guys are passionate as well. So that's why I try to give it my all. I give my 110% to every single video I make. And sometimes it does hurt me because I'm sort of a perfectionist, but nothing. This is to level up, and that's all I wanted to say in this. This is to level up 100%. This is for the better. This one is gonna come out amazing, hopefully, and then I hope that you guys are gonna enjoy the next build that we have coming up, which hopefully it does happen. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a bittersweet one. I am definitely not enjoying doing this. It kind of hurts me to take parts out of that beautiful Evo, because that one is just the one, but it's for the better. Anyways, like always, keep grinding, stay safe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.